Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to reset the oil life on a 2024 Volkswagen Taos. Very simple process. We start by putting the car on accessory. To do that, just push your start button once without pushing your brake. There you go. That will bring you to this screen. In here, if you're seeing the screen like that, you just push the VO button until you see this mode. After that, push this button right here on the right. We are going to be looking for distance and time, where we push this right arrow again. And then once we are on this screen here, you're going to hold this right arrow button. You need to hold it for about 10 seconds. And once you release it, you then have the options to reset your service, reset oil, or reset your inspection. In this case, we are working on the reset oil change. So here you go, push OK. Do you want to reset the oil change service? OK. And that's it. Service interval was reset. Very simple. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions, leave it in the comments. If you have any other vehicles that you are needing to learn how to reset, just put it on the comments. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel.